Today, I lied to Uber Eats. I told them I'd be delivering food on a VO, and after submitting a photo of me, I got approved. But little does Uber Eats know, I'm not delivering on a VO. I'll actually be delivering on this 60-mile-an-hour e-bike with pedals. And let me tell you, this thing rips. This is the Freego X3 Pro with a 72-volt 50-amp-hour battery. This bike is $2,600. But if you use code Revster, you can save yourself $100 on any Freego bike. Link in the description. But that's enough talking. I got food to deliver. Bike's all set up. Perfect Uber Eats delivery bike. Let's get going. Let's go online. Required actions. Always wear a helmet. Yeah. Take a photo of yourself. Are they demanding a face reveal right now? Shoot, okay. Come on, we are online. World's fastest Uber driver right here. This is the new strat. I mean, see, they're delivering in a car and I'm passing them. So this is the new strat. Oh, we got an order. The app's telling me to slow down.
Hello.
Hi, I had a pickup for Cindy.
I think that's you.
Okay, this one right here. Awesome, thank you. Thank you, have a good one. Oh, we got another order. Awesome. Yeah, have a good one. Okay, we made it. I just had a pickup for Weston. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Weston, you're about to get your order so quick. Come on! Why are you going so slow? Give her some beans, bro. Right only. Not today. We got another order. We are moving. Yeah, I am.
What's the name?
Katie.
Katie?
Yeah.
Let me go take a look. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Maybe 10 minutes.
Awesome, thank you. We're gonna wait like 5 or 10 minutes, so in the meantime, we playing some baseball 9. Oh, that's crushed.
Thank you.
Have a good one. My town has been so rolled the last few weeks. Like, they have been cracking down. Thankfully, I'm on pedals, so they usually just kind of look away. Like, come on, I'm just trying to deliver some Uber Eats. I'm just trying to make some money. Oh, right there. There you go, Jake. Hopefully my bike's still there. Ooh. After about an hour and a half of doing Uber Eats, I made $37.90 from 3 orders. That comes out to just be $25 an hour, which honestly isn't bad. I think I'm gonna call it there and go right around for a bit.
That's how you do it. Got 3 orders done. Dude, no way it's down. Oh, I'm so gonna hit that. This is gonna be sketch.
Oh shit!
Hey! Oh, that was sick!
How long? When did I meet you? It was like 3 months ago, 2 months ago?
Yeah, something like that.
Last time, I don't think I could really.
Freego X3 Pro versus Sauron Hyper-B and Sauron LBX. Cue the music.
We'll all 3 do it. 3, 2, 1, go.
I got a bad start. No. I gotta catch up. I'm gaining. See ya. Come on. Come on.
I gapped you at first, but then you like.
Yeah, this isn't as fast at first, and then after, yeah, you get going.
So quiet.
Isn't that crazy?
Like, even compared to the rat, it's so quiet.
We on Leo Sauron now. Let's get it.
Excuse us. We can swap if you want.
This one's fun though.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. You can try it if you want.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Have you ever rode a Hyper-B?
No, not yet. I haven't ridden a mini bike in forever. Oh, it's so low. You got it?
Yeah, I got it. But...
Yeah.
Yay!
There you go. Oh, it's so small. Dude, I feel so tiny on this thing. Okay, ready? Ugh. Yeah, this thing's quick.
Have you heard of an E-Ride Pro Mini?
Yeah?
It has more torque than an E-Ride Pro Mini.
Really?
Okay, can we try?
Yeah. Too big for you?
Yeah. Wait,
We can go 30 miles an hour, pop it up instantly. Like, look at that, easy. Hey, we going the speed limit? We're legal, I swear. Oh, I should probably turn on my light, huh? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. What is that a tire?
Yeah. For a little wagon.
Oh, okay. Okay.
What are you doing?
Just got done doing Uber Eats.
On this thing?
Yeah.
Ooh, Lance, you should try it. That thing's fast.
Yeah.
We should make a YouTube video together. We should both do Uber Eats.
I'm so down. That'd be fun. Yep. Alright, well, later, guys.
Alright, yeah.
It was Mateo, right? Okay. What was your name?
Lance.
Lance. What was your name? Connor. It was nice to meet you guys. Later. Oh, thank you. Hang on, I gotta go say hi to these guys. Yeah. Oh, what's up?
Good, right?
How you doing?
What is this?
This is the Freego X3.
The same one?
Yeah.
I saw that shit on your YouTube. You can't get pulled over for that one, right?
No, not really.
Do you have the pegals on it?
No, I have the pegals on the X2. I might throw them on here, but
That's tough, bro.
Yeah.
Alright, good looking.
Later. Have a good one. Love the Corvette. It looks awesome.
I like that bike.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Well, have a good night. Thank you. There's the trailer I jumped. Alright, there's a shortcut through here. No, it's closed. No. Dude, now we gotta go down the homeless alley. It's so sketchy. They love the wheelies though. Oh, watch, they'll get all hyped up. Hey! Oh, minivan. I hear sirens. Oh, they're coming for me. No.
Alright, that's gonna do it for this one. I'm heading out of town for a few days, but when I get back, I've got something waiting for me. It's an unreleased bike that no one's got their hands on yet. I'm gonna unbox it and be the first person to actually ride it. I'm not gonna say anything else. You'll have to see the next video. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.